Welcome. This tutorial is going to be about the reference grid. Now what that is way in the upper left corner of your control bar is this little box where you have 9 points that you can choose. And each point determines the point that if you're rotating or scaling that it will scale or rotate around. So for example, if I pick this box and now I'm in the upper left corner, if I apply some rotation, it rotates around that corner. And consequently, if I go down to the lower right, apply the same rotation, it is now rotating around that spot. And of course, you could always pick the center. And then if I apply rotation, it's rotating off the center point. And of course, that works the same way for scaling. Upper left corner, and I want to scale this 150%. It is scaled off of that corner. And conversely, if you go to the bottom right and hit the scale, you can see it is now scaled off the bottom right. So it works really well for anytime you're skewing, it works. Also the flipping, where you are in this grid will control how that happens. Now another really good way to use the reference grid is if you're changing page sizes. Okay, so now I'm in the page size change box and it's highlighted. Say for example, I want that page to be much narrower than the page next to it. Now if my reference grid is in the upper left and I change the width, you can see it did that, but now it's not attached to this page anymore. So in this scenario, if I wanted to maintain my spreads, I would click in the upper right and then change the page width, and now you see I still have maintained spreads. So that's the basics of the reference grid.